अस्सलाम वालेकुम प्यारे बच्चों। आज का जो टॉपिक है वो हम पढ़ेंगे माय क्लास टीचर। 10 लाइन्स इस वीडियो में पढ़ेंगे। नंबर 1, देयर आर 25 टीचर इन आवर स्कूल। दे all are hard working and dutiful. Mr. Afzal is our class teacher. He is about 52. He is always well dressed. He is also very well behaved. He teaches us English, physics, and chemistry. He is ever smiling. He keeps discipline in the class. अगर आपको हमारी चैनल पसंद आए उसे लाजमी सब्सक्राइब, लाइक और शेयर करें। Number 10, he has full command on his subjects. He teaches us in a very good manner. He advises us to work hard. He is popular with the teachers and students alike. We are proud of him.